fastest to lay heated decoupling system in the world. Warmup DCM-PRO, engineered to lower running costs while offering complete design freedom. No pipework, no radiators, no clutter. Choose standard or low wattage cable from 225 to 41.3 watts per square meter. The low wattage option pairs perfectly with rooftop solar for carbon-free floor heating. Connect with a Warmup smart thermostat for Smartcare, 24/7, 365 aftercare with free remote fixes. Warmup's patented peel-and-stick membrane with BAB-approved heating cable creates the world's fastest to install decoupling system. As low as 5.8 millimeters, it fits any space without affecting floor height, delivering high ANSI performance ratings and protecting tiled finishes against seasonal movement year after year. Trusted by 2.5 million plus customers in 75 countries over 32 years. DCM-PRO, reliable, energy-efficient warmth with a free lifetime warranty.